How to fix text messages notification not showing on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to fix text messages notification if they are not showing on your iPhone. It's quick and easy process, so without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with the step 1, that is to check notification settings. So open the settings app on your iPhone and from there simply scroll down and tap on notification. Now here scroll down and select messages, and now here in this section ensure that allow notification is toggled on, which can be seen at the top. And with that, also make sure that your lock screen, notification center and banners are all checked. And now step 2 is to customize notification for unknown senders. So scroll down and tap on customize notification, which can be seen at the bottom. Now here make sure that allow notification from unknown senders and emergency contacts is turned on. And this ensures you won't miss notification from any important source including unknown senders. And now with that, let's move forward to the step 3, that is to check focus mode and do not disturb. Now simply swipe down from the top right to check if do not disturb and another focus mode is turned on. If it is, simply toggle it off and make sure you receive your text notification. And now with that, let's move to the step 4, that is to check sound settings. So go back to your settings and from there simply scroll down and tap on sound and haptics. And here make sure that silent mode is turned off and that your ringtone and alerts are turned up so you can hear notification when they come in. And now with that, let's move to the step 5, that is to check individual message alerts. So open the message apps and select a conversation. And here simply tap the name or number at the top of the chats, and if hide alerts is toggled on, make sure to toggle it off. And if you see a little bell icon with a line through it next to the chat, it means alerts are hidden. So simply swipe left and tap the bell icon to unhide alerts. And with that, let's move to the last step, that is to restart your iPhone. So if none of these steps work, you can go back to the settings and here you can simply scroll down and tap on General. Now here in the General section, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on Shutdown. And turn off your iPhone and restart it later. Sometimes a quick restart can fix minor bugs and glitches with notification. And now you should be getting all your text message notification on your iPhone. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get up to date for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.